Hi everyone, welcome to Engineering Mastery Made Simple channel. Today going to discuss about a CSV file operation using Python. A CSV comma separated value. CSV. C that means of commas, S that means of separated, V that means of value. File is used to store the table data such as names, marks, and salaries, EHCs. Python provides a built-in model called CSV to perform the CSV file operation. Steps to work with the CSV file. First step, import the CSV model. To open the CSV file, read or write a data using CSV functions. Close the file. Writing data to a CSV file. Example Python program. Import CSV. Data to write. Data equal to within square brackets id name marks id 101 Arun 85 marks 102 Bala 90 marks 103 Kathy 88 marks. Open the file in write mode with open square bracket student.csv single quotes comma write mode new line equal to double quotes as file writer equal to csv writer of file within square bracket file object passed to the writer method. Writer is a function bracket, have function bracket, pass the parameters, the file contain the data. What data contains id name and marks. Open the file in write mode. Write multiple rows. Writer dot write rows. Write row, that means of only write a single row of data. Write rows is a multiple row of a data. Print data written successfully. There is a text message. That message show into the console. Once written the CSV file, that CSV file is created because of write mode. Once open a write mode, so automatically create a file. The specified name of the student.csv name of the file. Name of the file contains the data. What are the data's id, name, and marks. 3 row of data created and insert to the column of value also. Output student.csv, file name, id, name, and marks. id 101 Arun 85, 102 Bala 90, 103 Kathy 88. That data going to insert the student.csv file. Reading data from a CSV file. The example of Python program. Open the file read mode with open student.csv read mode as file. Reader equal to csv.read file is a parameters. Reader is a method or function name. File is passed to the parameters. For row in reader, print row. Why need to use the for loop? For loop because of data iterating or reading a data multiple values, n number of values. That's why using the for loop. Why need to use the with already explained in the previous videos. Once with open using that, no need to close the file, automatically it will close. That's why using the with open. Output id name marks id 101 Arun 85 marks, 102 Bala 90 marks, 103 Kathy 88 marks. Appending data to a CSV file, Python example program. I see the code. Import CSV. Import CSV, that means of library file, new data equal to 104 David 92 marks with open student.csv append new line character equal to double quotes as a file, write equal to csv.writer file, add one row, write row new data contains the data 104 David 92 marks. Print of data appended successfully. Let's see the output. My assumption output, already existing data is there in the three rows of values. Going to insert another row. ID 104, name is David, mark is 92. Let's see the output. Wait a minute. Reading a CSV file using a dict reader. Import CSV with open student.csv read mode as file, reader equal to CSV dict reader of file, for row in reader, print row. The row object contains all the data. That's why print of row. Yes. ID 101, name Arun, marks 85. ID 102, name Bala, marks 90. ID 103, name Kathy, marks 88. Import CSV file CSV functions. CSV reader, read the CSV file. CSV writer, write data to the CSV file. Write row writes one rows. Write rows, writes multiple rows. The CSV dictionary reader, read the CSV as a dictionary. CSV dot dict writer, write the dictionary data. In the previous example discussed about the dictionary dict reader, read the CSV as a dictionary. Advantages of CSV file: simple and easy to use, store the tabular data, supported by Excel and database, portable between systems. It's a diagrammatic representation how it will read the data from the database or form of text file, form of CSV file. Reading a comma separated value into the pandas data forms. Multiple CSV files stored on the drive. It's a diagrammatical or graphical representation how it will store the multiple line in the drive. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, click on the bell symbol for further video update.